Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to control this buzzer and this LED by using this remote and the IR receiver. The int receiver equals 11, which I already put right there.
Yep, so
the brown one.
Yeah, okay.
And the int buzzer,
buzzer,
it's the black one right there.
So int B, okay.
And the LED,
int L.
The LED was right here, the purple one.
Yep, that's the LED.
Now this is just to start the RI receiver a little bit. Okay. The serial.begin equals to start the serial monitor.
Yep.
Okay. Now this is to start the receiver.
Yep, it's right there.
Now this is just the outputs.
So the pin mode of the
buzzer and the LED is all output.
Yep, good.
And this is the serial.println. And the serial.print doesn't mean anything, but results value hex.
Oh, Control Z? Oh, I think you messed up. It's okay. Okay, there you go.
Now this hex means the hex code. Where do you find the hex code? The hex code is something on the serial monitor. You press 1 and you're going to get a code. Well, if I do, I'll just spoil the fun.
Okay, why don't you try another one? Another number. You want to try another number? So for the hex code, each number has a hex code. Look,
I'm going to put 9.
Oh, you have to aim it at the receiver?
9.
9.
And yeah, that's the code.
So you have to put that code. Let me show. I'm not sure. Where do you have to put that code?
You have to put it right here.
Scroll down. Let me show you. Yeah, we were. Okay, there we go. So explain.
You have to put the code right here.
So
But it's important to put a 0x.
Okay. So what code is that number?
It's for 1.
And what does it do?
It's if you press 1, the LED starts going on.
So if you press 1 on there, okay. Wait, don't show that. Don't show that. We'll save that for the end. Okay, what's next? What other buttons have you made?
Yeah, but so this was for the LED.
Yeah.
So this the LED high, then the LED on.
Okay, good. Now for the next one.
Now this is for the buzzer. Wait, where?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this is for the buzzer, and the buzzer high and the buzzer on.
Yeah. So
and
what number
this
is that? What number?
And the number.
For the buzzer.
And the number for the buzzer was this.
Yeah. What number do you press to get that hex code?
The 2.
Okay, so you press 2 and you go, okay, good.
Now, this is for the 3.
Good.
And if you press 3, they both go off.
So the buzzer and the LED?
Yeah.
Okay, that's nice. Now you want to try it now?
Okay.
So run the code, press upload. Upload, it's uploading right there. And let's try it. Okay, so after open the serial monitor. So this will say LED on. Okay, let's try. Press 1. Oh, LED's on. And wait, let me show you. Whoa, look, LED's on. He pressed 1.
No, wait. The 3 wasn't all off. It was the power button.
Yeah, sorry. Oh, the power button means all off. Okay. So let me show them one more time. Guys, for this one,
it was actually the power button.
That takes it all off. Okay, I understand. So for 1, you start the LED. 2, you start the buzzer. And for power, when you press power off, you off both of them. Oh, okay. So let's try one more time. Let's press 1. Open the serial monitor. Good. It should say LED on there. LED on. LED's on. Good job. Press 2.
I'll put everything off first.
Okay.
And I'll put 2.
Buzzer's on. Buzzer's on. It says buzzer on right there.
Yeah.
Okay, now on both of them and close both of them. For 1. So that's 2.
Yeah.
Press 1. Okay, so LED.
And
buzzer.
Close.
And close, press power. Perfect. This is how you do the IR receiver. It's amazing. Bye.